Hi there, students. So much so that, to such an extent, to such a degree, that something else results. This is so expensive, so much so that I can't even consider buying it. So with this phrase, so much so, you make a statement and then you say so much so, it's a conjunction, that there is a result of that. The identical twins look exactly alike. So much so that even their parents at times can't tell the difference. So much so, like the previous statement. The previous statement is true to such an extent, it's so much like that, that something else happens. The company has been losing a lot of money recently, so much so that I'm considering selling the company. Okay, so the company has been losing money to such an extent, it's been losing so much money that I'm considering selling it. This cake is so good, it's delicious, so much so that I'm going to ask you for the recipe. Yeah, it's so delicious that, so much so. A conjunction talking about the previous sentence or the previous part of the sentence and then giving another result of that. The project was a really good project, so much so that it won first prize. There were several candidates for the job, but one of them spoke really good English, so much so that they had no choice but to give her the job. Okay, to such an extent. English spelling is really difficult, so much so that even native speakers have problems with English spelling. Okay, so it's a conjunction, it's adding more to the sentence, and it's giving more information. Okay, this is a very useful construction. So much so that I think you should try to use it in your exam essays and things like that. Your next question, how formal is this structure? I would say this is completely neutral. You can use it in any situation. So that also makes it useful as well. Okay, so much so, to such an extent that. So much so that, but that is optional. You can leave it out if you want to. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So much so that